not a game, it's a rich thing.
GT6 in black box, and it's 16 GB with 512 GB combination. Let's have the quick unboxing. First you get the user manual, just put it aside, then the phone, and at last you get a 120-watt charger with USB-A to USB-C, and this cover in black matte color. Texture of the cover feel good. Look at the design. It's look awesome. I unable to justify in my words, it's just new and best design in this entire Realme lineup. At bottom, it's look like a moon-type shadow or texture, and you can also feel the texture, which I never see in any Realme or other brands' devices. Looking forward for its ports and buttons at bottom, we get the SIM slot, which and yeah, definitely it's dual SIM slot. And at side you get power on and off buttons and volume up and download buttons, and at top you get IR blaster. And if you look at the weight, it's just about 207 grams, which is quite impressive. And it's also feel comfortable in hand. No matter your hand are small or big, it's fit in. And type of hands, whether your fingers are shorter and longer, not matter at all. And if you talk about the grip, I would say, yeah, it's slightly slippery, but I don't mind. I will buy in another phone. Let's move towards the display section, which is another masterpiece itself. It come with 6.78-inch 1.5K 120Hz LTPO OLED display. The display number is quite impressed, but in real-life usage it's more interesting. I use this phone outside, and I don't feel any downgrade or cons in the display. It's quite visible in harsh sunlight, because it's come with 6000 nits peak brightness. Yeah, 6000 nits peak brightness. Are you kidding me? 6,000 nits, it's enough for my house lighting. And what, you think it's enough? No, it's not enough. It also come with Pro XDR display so we can enjoy the movie and watch content for wasting your time. And the 120 Hz display feel quite smooth while scrolling. As you see, now it's enough, let's talk about the performance. It's come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with up to 16 GB LPDDR, 5X RAM, and up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage, and the super standard calling system help the phone to maintain a certain degree while gaming in long run. Now, let's talk about camera. The GT6 has a 50-megapixel rear camera with Sony IMX890 sensor, along with 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and off-cus 16-megapixel front camera, which can capture decent pictures. And from the real camera, I take so many pictures in day and night. Let's have a look and judge by yourself. And yeah, it has a 5800 mAh battery with second-generation silicon carbon anode battery technology, support for 120W Super VOC fast charging that can charge up to 100% in 32 minutes. The phone is compatible with 33W UFCS Fusion fast charging and 55W PPS fast charging, and comes with a 4-year battery warranty for the first sale. In conclusion, the Realme GT6 stands out as a true flagship contender. From its striking design and top-notch display to its powerful performance and impressive camera capabilities, it caters to the needs of tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or a multimedia enthusiast, the GT6 delivers on all fronts with style and substance. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Realme GT6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews and unboxings. Drop a comment below on your thoughts about the Realme GT6 or any questions you might have. Until next time, this is Tech Cave. signing off.